Alright, so I got the trailer all connected here and I'm ready to go. So I just found a bunch of attachments for the FF24. So let's get this trailer loaded. Let's go out there. Should have a mower deck, 48-inch snow blower, and a P.T.O kit and some other goodies that we need for the engine. So let's get out there. Let's go to my buddy in New Hampshire and go check these things out. Hi, I'm Alex and welcome back to another vlog day. Alright, so I just picked up at buddy in New Hampshire's stuff. So we got a nice snow thrower for the FF, got a deck, and then to run these things, this is the deck mule drive, got an air intake that I was missing, and we got the front P.T.O kit. So this is awesome. So it's even got the front cover, which is awesome. So it's much easier to install than I realized. So yeah, you need that to run the front blower, which mine is missing. So yeah, we're just missing a plow. He actually has a plow here, but not willing to sell it, so that's okay. Maybe we'll convince him, maybe. But there is one for sale down the street here, so we might look into that. Rhode Island has a plow for sale. We might look into, just waiting on a response. So that would be awesome. That is one of the last things that I'm missing here. But yeah, everything spins nice. Look at this. This is how it was meant to run a snowblower right here. So we got a nice port, dog box style. So it has a through shaft right to here. So it looks pretty much just like the hay bin, but with a much better design. No more belts. So that's awesome. But it spins free. Everything looks good. Got the handles and everything. And then yeah, I got a nice deck here. I'm not sure the size. It looks like maybe the smaller one. But yeah, we'll do some research and figure that out. So yeah, I got everything in here and I'll meet you back at home. So yeah, oh yeah, here's the front. So yeah, looks good, spins nice. So yeah, I'll meet you at home. All right, the next day here, came back with a quite massive haul. As you can see, I got the air intake tins, which is awesome to have. Came back with the 48-inch blower. Got the now figured out 50-inch deck, which is awesome. you had a choice of a 44 and a 50, and then over there in the corner is the front P.T.O kit. So that you need to run the 48-inch blower. So I'm extremely happy. Just got the blower mocked up there, and yeah, quite an impressive haul for how rare these tractors are in this area. Now I'm not sure how rare they are in your area, but around here I only know of one guy who has the 20. So to have an FF24 is awesome. So obviously condition unknown, but you know, regardless if it works or not, having all this stuff is awesome. So yeah, anyways, I am very happy to have this. This is awesome. So the next video in this is to get this running, and to have, you know, all of this is awesome. I think the blower won't go on. We're just getting out. We're gonna get the deck on there. I do have the mule drive for the deck, so that is what we have for it. And yeah, I got to figure that all out. Got to start buying some manuals and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how any of this works. I'm not sure how the deck even goes up and down. So we're gonna have to figure that out and see how the mule drive fits up. I think you have to take the front P.T.O kit off. I think that's only meant for the blower, and then it has its special mule drive for the deck, and we'll get this into summer mode, and I think it'll look awesome. The only thing I'm missing that I would personally want is the 54-inch plow that goes on the front of this, and then a lot of my buddies want me to get the rear P.T.O kit that they offer, but I mean, you can only use it for a rototiller, and I don't know where you would even begin to get one of those. So, and it's a lot you have to do. You have to run a drive shaft from the front to the back to run that rear P.T.O. So I'm not sure. I'm pretty happy with everything I got. I just want to get the plow, and I think we'll be good. So yeah, that's it for now. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed. I know I did, having some fun there and grabbing all these attachments. So yeah, we have a mower deck, we have a 48-inch snow blower for the front, and we got the tins and everything for the engine, and yeah, and got the mule drive and everything for the mower deck here. So really excited. So our next journey is to get all the little things for the snow blower. It's missing some stuff, but to have the big items here, the majority is really nice. The only thing I'm missing is a belt and the lift arms for the deck. I just got really into the forums and everything, and I found measurements and what they're supposed to look like. So I have that, and I will get my buddy to make some up for us. We'll find a machine shop or something to get them made up, and I just don't have the tools to make those. So they're made out of some pretty thick stuff, which is, you know, not surprising. So, but we have it, and we have everything. I put the blower out back, so it is out there, and we'll deal with that later. And the one thing I do want to get is the 54-inch. They don't call it a dozer or a snowplow, they just call it a plow. So yeah, I want to get one of those. But other than that, this thing is awesome. So look forward to the next video of the FF24. That will be diagnosing what is wrong with it and getting it running. The previous owner said that the previous owner that he bought it from had this thing running and driving, and it sat for a while. So yeah, the next thing is just to see why it's not running. So yeah, we'll tackle that in the next video. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog day.